Hi. Welcome to Smart Tech. Do not forget to subscribe Smart Tech. All the video of our channel is for educational purpose only. We will install Kali Linux 2.2 to virtual machine. We need Vmware, workstation and Kali Linux ISO file. First, we have to run VMware player. Now, we have to create a new virtual machine. Now, click on Installer dice image file, browse Kali Linux 2.2 ISO file, and select it. Click on Next. After that, you have to select guest operating system and your Linux version. Now click on Next. Set your virtual machine name and location where you want to keep your virtual Linux operating system. Now click on Next and configure your disk size. That will be the storage of your virtual machine operating system. After that, you will get two options. You have to select one of them. If you choose the first one, your virtual operating system performance will be increased, and whatever you allocate is constant. If you choose the second one, it may reduce performance, and whatever you allocate is variable, and also it is easier to move the virtual machine to another computer. We will choose the first one. Click on Next. After that, we will customize hardware. Configure memory. It means RAM. Allocate RAM size. Configure processor. Configure network adapter. If you choose that, your network address will be changed, and your virtual machine cannot perform in the same network. If you choose bridged, your virtual machine will perform in the same network. That is the basic settings. Now, you can configure whatever you want. Now, close it, and click on Finish. Now, power on, or click on Play Virtual Machine. And your Linux installation will start. Choose Graphical Install. Press Enter. Select your language. Click Continue. Select your location. Click Continue. Now, configure your keyboard. Click Continue. It will take some time. Now, configure the network. Click Continue. I will do it later. Now, enter the host name for this system. After that, enter your full name. Now, set your username and password. Now, choose the first option, and press Enter. You can choose any of them, and partition your disk manually. Click Continue. Select first option, and press Enter. Now, click on Finish Partitioning, and write changes to disk, and click Continue. Click on Yes, and Continue. It will take time. It is installing base system. Now, configure the packet manager. Click on Yes, and Continue. Now, select Software, and Continue. It will take some time. Now, install the GRUB bootloader to the master boot record. Choose Yes, and Continue. Select the path, and Continue. Your device is getting ready. Automatically, it will restart. Now your Kali Linux 2.2 is starting. Now, your system is ready to process. Now, your Linux is fully ready for your tasks. You can do a lot of tasks here. Your Kali Linux 2.2 is successfully installed to virtual machine. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. Do not forget to subscribe.